I don't think we're going to be fighting like, okay, so the VA versus AI. I think it's more like VA versus VA who is using AI. So this week, what we want to really talk to you about is VA versus AI. Will AI steal your VA job? The reason why we really want to talk about this is because there's a lot of myth in the industry. Is everybody's like, oh my God, I do not want to use AI. I think that is cheating. I need to create my own thing. And some of the VA that coming through to interview with us have never heard of AI before, have never heard of a ChatGPT, Gemini, and things like that. So we figure we'll educate you on why AI gonna steal our job, or is it better for you to have AI with you? And again, today we are very honored to have me, Phyllis, and we also have Monique and Grace with us. And we just really want to share with you what is AI. And if you really have any idea about AI, whether you like it, you don't like it, type it down below. Let us know. Like, you love AI, you hate AI. Is AI your competitor or actually your best friend? When AI first came out, I really are afraid because again, we run a VA business. At the very beginning, I might be a little nervous because it's like, what if AI will be able to take over everything? But the truth is, AI is just another technology that get updated. And so far, I think it's been almost a year that it's got rolled out. It hasn't really replaced the VA job. However, in my perspective, it actually have helped our virtual assistant do so much better with what their job is. In my perspective, in my verdict, all the AI software right now still need a human manually do work. So if you want to be a VA, your job is safe, at least for now, until you choose not to learn AI. But Monique, what do you think?
Well, I think AI actually helps a virtual assistant do more jobs, like do jobs better than before. I am a writer, so I can write emails, but like right now, I can just chat GPT it, make this email better. There are sometimes you have typos, not just chat GPT, other AI tools like chat GPT, Gemini, Cloud AI. It would correct the grammar. You wanted to expand your sentences, it would do it. Again, for me, it would help us if you know how to do it right. So if you know how to leverage AI, it would definitely help you as a virtual assistant. I think that's my standpoint on this one. How about you, Grace?
I'm working as an executive assistant. So the before was actually, I don't know AI. Although I heard about it, I wasn't really able to execute it or use it, and I don't know how it will help me. I even think same thing as what you said. Will it take over my job? So when I started my job here in Philisong Consulting, I was introduced by this ChatGPT. I think that's the famous one. So it helped me a lot in terms of managing email. So as an executive assistant, I am tasked to check boss's email, respond to it, and of course make sure that when I respond to it, I respond it in a concise manner and with the right information. AI helped me to do that. So I put in the email and then you prompt ChatGPT what is the idea that you would like or how you would like to reply to it, and it will create you the email. It will not just make it good email, but it will make it better. But of course, I know for a fact that it won't replace human because it doesn't really sound as human as we are. So we still have to make changes and making sure that this will really sound like us. So AI definitely helped me a lot as an executive assistant. So I like it.
Absolutely, exactly what Grace said. After we really learned a lot about ChatGPT and learned a lot about AI software, we realized that it really helped us speed up our work quality and allow us to look into what is the right output. So instead of like sitting there and becoming like the creative mode, like trying to create an email from start to finish, you at least have ChatGPT to can run the information, and then afterwards you review it, modify it, and then hit send. So it's definitely a whole lot faster. I don't know whether you guys know Elon Musk or not. I think most of you guys do. His partner, Peter Diamandis, actually had an event not too long ago, and he really talked about this. He said, who is going to win is either the human or the human with AI. So in our world is VA with AI. So if you're not picking up AI right now and you're looking for a job, you most likely will not be able to get a job because you do not know anything about AI. And pretty soon here, AI will become like a college degree. It's a prerequisite for everyone to learn it. And you're like, man, how do you learn it? Very simple. You just have to go to YouTube like what you're doing right now with us, and you can just type in, how do I use the prompts? So if you are not doing AI right now, if you're not learn how to use ChatGPT, how to type out prompts to ask smart questions, you are missing out. And again, if you are not learning it, AI will not steal your job, but you might lose the job because you do not know AI. So again, VA plus AI become like a US local smart employee, professional experts. So you can immediately become an expert right away.
Take advantage. If you are listening right now, go ahead and check it out. It's called AI Studio. So what it does is, first you can upload the video, you can upload the audio, and let's say you can also upload the file. For ChatGPT right now, you can upload the file if you have the paid account. This one, you do not need a paid account. Go ahead and create an account using your Google account. It's amazing. You know what? What we did was we uploaded one PDF file, and it's actually a book. So what I asked was, hey, can you give me all the quotations that I can get from on this book? And it would give me a bunch of quotations from that book. Another one that you guys could use it from. We downloaded the YouTube podcast that we did last week. We did ask this AI tool and ask, hey, how can we improve this podcast? So it would give you like, hey, I think you need to do this better next time. Even the lighting, guys, if you are uploading a video, hey, you need to get a better lighting. Hey, you have like a cabinet showing on your background. Something like that, it would give you that advice. Guys, this is something that you can go ahead and utilize. Again, it's free. It's Gemini AI Studio. It was just released. Go ahead and check it out. It has a lot of uses. Grace would share other tools for you guys.
Other than ChatGPT and all that we mentioned, I also use this Fathom.ai for those aspiring executive assistant out there. You try it, it's free, and then it will help give you the summary, record the meeting, and then give you the summary. And again, using all this AI, let's just not forget that these are just tools. These are not replacement. They still all need human touch. The summary may still be different. The spelling may still be typed in wrong. So we always have to have that human touch on making sure that it is right, how it is written, how it is described. It should still be us. It should still sound like us. Don't forget to always add that human touch.
I think one thing also, especially for virtual assistants like me, one AI tool that everyone should have, I think, should be Loom or any note takers, especially if you are connecting with your clients via Zoom. Why? First and foremost, we do not need to type everything, guys. We do not need to remember everything. AI will do it for us. AI will summarize the meeting for us. AI will remind us what are the questions that we need to go back to the client. Like, it would tell you what are the questions that you need to answer. And then it would also remind you what you need to do. Like, hey, you need to send an email to this client. It would also summarize the meeting where it has the topics that was discussed. So guys, especially if you're an executive assistant or even if you're just meeting with your client, come up with a Loom recording or any AI, read AI also, come up with a note taker that would help you guys summarize the meeting for you. So you do not need to remember, do not need to go back to the meeting and replay the meeting. You do not need to put everything in your head or even type notes because again, AI will do it for you. Do not be afraid of AI. It's there to enhance us or whatever we're doing for our client. It is definitely here to help us. All we have to do is to leverage it. Make sure you leverage AI. Whatever you guys do, I think there's an AI tool that would definitely help you.
Instead of fearing AI, treat it as a partner that will help you focus more on the more important task. Don't fear to grow and learn more about AI.
Thank you so much for joining us. Please share this channel with everybody that you know. The goal is we want to become the #1 channel for virtual assistant in YouTube, in Facebook, so that more people is going to come to us because we know that we genuinely care for all the virtual assistant. We might not be the best, but I know we have the best heart. And again, if you guys haven't applied for a job, if you're looking for a job, please learn AI. There's nothing wrong with learning AI, and it's free for you to utilize it. Learn it and then put it on your resume that I know how to use AI. If you haven't watched our previous episode, go back and watch it, especially if you just started your VA career. I love you all very, very much. We look forward to see you guys next Saturday morning, and bye-bye.